I welcome you all to the video wherein I'm going to now showcase how to plot a sine wave graph. Now, here, this is a mathematical, again, I should say, graph, number one. Number two, I need a package which is called as PyLab. Now, this is similar to MATLAB that we use in certain mathematical interpretations and showcasing the research analysis. Here also in Python we have got this one, and I'm going to already I have installed Python, number one. Number two, going ahead and taking care installing this one so that I can import the multiplication sign. So how do you take care of this one? This is through the package which is called as from PyLab import. That means PyLab is the package from where I'm going to import the star, and that stands for the multiplication. So here I have already started off with the coding, that is t is my data frame, which is equal to what? Arrange. That means arrange is a function wherein I'm going to talk about these points needs to be arranged out. And what are these points? 0.0, thus 2.0 and 0.02 that I really wanted. Now I'm going to apply the sine wave function, and for this the coding would be s, which is a data frame, equals to sine is the one that I'm going to use it. And I've already imported in the another video my numpy package also, therefore I don't have to import it once again. If I'm doing it a fresh coding, a new coding, then I'll have to import even the numpy as np and then proceed further. So this formula would be 2.5 into pi into t. Now this is what the thing would be, and this coding I have taken again from the Bible of Python, which is Jake's book, and from there he has showcased it that yes, this is how you need to proceed further. And then I'm saying that plot t and s. So I want two things that I have created for the sine wave, and both of them have to be plotted. Now in order to do that, now I'm giving, and what is this? How to label my x-axis and the y-axis coordinates. Now here you will see that I have given on x label, I'm saying that go ahead and give me time in seconds. This is what it would be. Whereas on y label it would be voltage, therefore it would be millivolts. So here I have gone ahead and have done. The title of the graph would be sine wave, grid would be true, that yes, this is how I need. And then I have lastly I have showcased that yes, you show me how the graph would look like, or the figure is going to look like. So here I go, I have coded each and every point that I have got right from top to bottom, and here you can see that in 1 2 3 4. Now what I'm doing it is I will be copying this one, and I'll showcase to you as to what would be the output if I run only these as the lines for my graph. Now here you will see that I have opened a new page in Colab, and it's taking time. Yes, here I go, and I have just copied. So let me run and see how the plotting would look like so that we are aware of it. So here you will see that the two data frames that I have created and I have plotted will look something like this. So you can see that this is my sine wave that I'm going to get it, number one. Number two, you can see on x-axis and on y-axis the kind of major labels that have been taken care of, and how the entire wave is coming in out here. You can copy, you can paste it. Now let me go ahead and run. Copy first of all the x label and y label. Now here I'm doing step by step so that we are aware of it as to what is taking place at separate thing. You can do it separately also, or you can do one after the other. So you can see that text 0.50 times second, and the label has come in on the x-axis. So let me go ahead with the y label now, and I'm copying this one, and let us go there and see as to what I'll be getting it. Now once I paste it and I'm going to run it, and you can see I have got the voltage MV on the y-axis. That is my label, y label. Now I have to see what is the title that I have to go ahead and present it out. So here I'll go ahead and copy the last line, and I would be getting the this one also. So you can see that yes, it gives you the leverage to do each and everything, and minute information option is also available to us. So on the next page, I go, I copy the title, that is, give me the title as sine wave. So here I go, I copy, I paste it. Now after running it, you will see that the title of my entire figure has come out to be as sine wave. So 0. Here it gives you the other information. The text is 0.5 and 1.0, and that is the sign. So grid would be a true one, which means that I'm calling it and I'm asking it to showcase it. Now here you will see surprisingly that yes, when I say true, it means that you have to showcase the entire grid. In case you don't want it, just make it false and you will not see, you will see only the spines and the ticks which are present over there, and I'm asking it to showcase to it. Now I have done step by step, and now it will be, rather than plotting, now I'm asking it to show it to me. So there is differences between plot and show. Plotting, I'm just plotting the numbers. Show means the entire graph would be represented on the map and it will be showcased to you. So this is how you are going to run the entire coding to get the sine wave. So I thank Jake for giving us such a wonderful coding also, which can be utilized it. So there are many more such things which are available. These are just these small codings that I'm showcasing to you in order to show how rich the digital I should say the graphical representations can be, and such a wonderful stories can be built up in our business world also side by side. So I think I'm going to stop here and let me come up with yet another plot. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.